ดีค่ะ Hello Today I'm gonna show you how to make spicy chili sauce Thai style นะคะ So first you have to have something like this It's called krok in Thailand right
Yeah,
so
and it has this stick that is strong enough to mush veggies.
Yes, right. Or you can also use the blender if you have it at home to make it easier. But because of we make a little portion, I think tonight I'm gonna make only this bowl. So just 2 person. This one is easy for us and very traditional. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this called?
Krok
Krok.
in Thailand.
In Thailand they call krok. First, what we gonna put? What is this called?
Onion.
No, not onion. Gar garlic.
Garlic.
What is garlic in Thai? กระเทียม
Garlic.
Okay. So my little helper Patrick, he gonna smash กระเทียม garlic นะคะ Let mommy help. If you don't like garlic so much, just put only 1 scoop. But because we love garlic,
Not me.
and garlic is very good,
Yeah, and healthy.
healthy. How is healthy, Daddy? It's helping you cleansing all the digestion.
Digestion.
Yeah. And as you know, the garlic is
I
just like a
think
natural
garlic
medicine.
has pepper over here.
Yeah. They said it's also remove pimple too.
Yeah. And if you search in Google, garlic is also help you lose weight. What? And next is
Every veggie does that. Peppers.
peppers or chilies.
Chili peppers.
We cannot find the red one, but
Perfect
the
like
green
pepper.
one is
No
already
need.
good. You can just put a little by little if you don't like too spicy. What is spicy in Thai, Patrick? Be careful your eyes, okay? It's hot.
Ooh, it smells good already.
What is spicy in Thai, Patrick? เผ็ด
Pet.
เผ็ด
เผ็ด
มาม
าก ก
Pet mark.
Very
ๆ
spicy.
เผ็ดมาก
You can make it like just break it up ให้มันแตกๆนะคะ or you love it like more brown so you take some time as you see this crock is made from clay but you want a stronger one you can get from the rock นะคะทำจากหิน right rock in Thailand is หิน
Huh, I thought this was made of wood.
This is clay, not wood. Clay, din. Say din. Oh, before we put the lime, we need the coconut sugar.
ๆ What is
This coconut sugar?
Yeah.
You see, this brand is selling a lot in America. วังเดิมนะคะ วังเดิม. It's very good. How do you know it's good or not?
Can I have a tiny itsy bitsy piece?
It's easy
Because I want to try.
to smash.
You could
Yeah,
try.
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 Look at my son face. This is a real
What do you
coconut.
think? What does it taste like?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. Just sugar, right? Let's say dark
It's
sugar.
become like this, okay? It's become like this, but you can just break a bowl because the good one is easy to break and look,
Good
That's
quality.
a bad
good quality. This brand is recommendation, okay? See,
I like it.
you like it, and then we gonna smash it. You see, as you see.
Oh yeah, look at that color.
Oh yeah, chili.
Mama, do we
garlic.
get some sweet sauce in there?
And next, we gonna show you. We use a simply.
Made squid sauce.
If you love more sweet, you can add more, okay? But we love just like the touch of this. I think this is just the half of them, like a half, one. What is this called?
Coconut sugar.
Yeah, 1 coconut sugar. They come with a
One
round.
piece.
We break half, and it's good for like you know. I don't really have like a serious measurement, but I just feel it, and during we make it, we taste it. So next is
Sweet sauce. Fish sauce.
fish sauce, but brand squid. Squid brand, but it's fish sauce. น้ำปลา
Ingredients.
น้ำปลา
Nampla.
anchovy
Ingredients.
extract
What are the
Anchovy
anchovy?
extract. Salt, sugar, this produce contain fish or butter.
Okay, can you help me now?
Sure.
Okay. Check. Two hands. Okay, mommy think it's enough. Thank you for helping my little boy. You can see, right, when it look like this. Very thick.
That's good enough.
It's good enough. And then next, lime.
Lime juice.
Lime.
Do you mind if I pick up a lime and squeeze
You
it?
wash your hand yet? Go wash your hand. Right here and come
Then
here.
I can pick up one.
So if you're lucky, you're gonna get a very soft skin of the lime and easy to squeeze like this.
Who picked that?
Or you can use spoon for helping like this to get more juice. Now my son gonna helping me. Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Mom, can you help you? Can I use the spoon?
Okay, sure.
Get
Hold
your
on.
own spoon.
No, it's okay.
Use that one.
It's too strong. Let me help. Good
Oh,
job.
okay.
Good job. You're
Good
getting
job.
it. Okay. Okay. Thank you for helping. Wow. Today the lime
Saliva.
juice is very good.
Watering
A
mouth
lot
right
of
now.
water. I think it's 3. It's good. So if it's not enough, you just add it later. You can see
Taste it.
now it's more watering, but it's from natural.
And then in the next video that we're gonna make this night, we're gonna show how to make the roll.
Okay, I'm gonna use
No.
my little pinky touch. อร่อยมาก It means super yummy. Now it's ready. Let's see. I poured everything in the bowl. Let's see. Come on, closer. And that's it. Simply ingredients. What is that? Can you remind everybody? Can you repeat and tell everybody what is inside?
Garlic, soy sauce, fish ranch, squid sauce, actually fish sand.
Fish sauce.
And what else?
Garlic inside,
And coconut
coconut sugar, and
chili.
green chili or pepper, you could call it.
Sweet chili.